Hello, in this video, we will demonstrate how to use the AI search feature in the Trupeer Knowledge Base. Once you're on the Trupeer homepage, you'll find the Knowledge Base option in the left side menu. Simply click on it. This will take you to the Knowledge Base. Once there, you'll notice the option for the title view. Clicking on it will switch to that title view. You can view all the content you've created in the Knowledge Base. Select a specific content page if you're searching for a particular keyword. On the specific content page, you'll see the Search Knowledge Base option. Enter your keyword, and it will suggest search results based on your input. A navigational arrow will appear on the content. Clicking on it will direct you to the content. Additionally, if you wish to search using AI, you'll find the Ask AI option on the right side. Click on it to activate AI. Enter your keyword or the specific name you wish to search for, then press Enter. You'll see AI processing your request, and results will appear based on your keywords. This is how you can use the AI search option in the Trupeer Knowledge Base. Thank you.